Haryana Assembly Election 2024 results are out and BJP has formed the government with a thumping majority. 48 is the mark which BJP has got in a assembly of 90, where majority mark is 46. So BJP well above the majority mark, and Congress ended at 37 seats and 5 to others. Now it has been unprecedented result for the Haryana Assembly elections. BJP beating all the anti-incumbency of 10 years, and once again they will be at the helm of affairs with Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini continuing. Now there are some of the factors which has gone in favor of the BJP. Of course, they realized after they lost 5 Lok Sabha seats in 2024 Lok Sabha elections that certain section of Dalit votes got dent and went to the Congress party. And also importantly, there was a factor which BJP realized when they sat post the Lok Sabha results for the Haryana, that their voters, especially in the urban areas, hadn't come out to cast their votes. So accordingly, BJP formed their strategy. And the master stroke in this was the removal of ML Khattar in this year itself, in the month of March, and giving this responsibility of the Chief Minister's post to Naib Singh Saini, who comes from the OBC community, which has more than 40% population in the state. And this factor has also gone in favor of BJP. The second important thing which they did was the dent which they got in the Dalit votes. This time around, it seems that they have gotten it back in their fold. And also importantly, it was a two-way contest, and that is something which perhaps benefited BJP. Neither JJP nor INLD could, or Aam Aadmi Party could manage to get a good number of seats. But there are some interesting facts about these results. There are some big faces from BJP, INLD, JJP, Congress Party who lost the assembly election surprisingly. And I have quick names for you. Dushyant Chautala, JJP, former Deputy Chief Minister of Haryana, has lost. Bijender Singh from the Congress Party, son of Virender Singh, who was in the BJP earlier. Gyan Chand Gupta, senior BJP leader, he lost. O.P. Dhankar, strong Jat leader, former BJP chief of Haryana, he lost. Captain Abhimanyu has also lost. Abhay Chautala of INLD, he has lost. Subhash Sudha from Kurukshetra, he also lost. Asim Goyal, Devender Babli of BJP, Ranjit Chautala, independent, who contested independent, Digvijay Chautala or JJP, and JP Dalal of BJP. He has also lost. So these are some of the big names that has lost the battle. Let me quickly, sum this video for you by saying that Lok Sabha like Karnal has become the best positive result which BJP has got. Out of 9 Lok Sabha seats in Karnal, BJP won all. So essentially what worked in favor of BJP is the GT Karnal belt, which includes Ambala, Sonipat, Kurukshetra and Panipat. These are the belts which worked for the BJP, and also southern Haryana. So these two belts have worked for BJP, and that is perhaps the reason why they have got this number which they have got, and now they will be forming the government in Haryana.